Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys data saver, ultra data saving guys. How can we disable in Samsung phone device? Friends, you want to disable guys Samsung phone guys ultra data saving mode, then how can you disable it today friends? I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you can see phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you don't know a very ultra data saving mode, so guys you can disable guys phone connection setting guys. But guys I will show you guys from your direct this search bar. So we will search guys ultra guys. So friends, you can see guys ultra data saving mode setting guys. We will tap on guys ultra data saving, and then scroll it friends, you can see ultra data saving guys. We will tap here to disable. Friends, you can see ultra data saving mode is enabled, so we will disable from here. So guys you can see disable, ultra data saving mode is disabled. So like that guys we can disable it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to disable Samsung phone ultra data saving mode. So bye guys.